Hello, in front of me I have Fossil Q Wonder and I'm gonna show you how to enable the airplane mode on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And here we have the airplane mode icon, the one with the airplane on it of course. And to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. As you can see, it says airplane mode on. And you can tell that the airplane mode is enabled by this icon being highlighted and not crossed out anymore. And also on the home screen, on the watch face, you should see this airplane icon right here at the top, the small one. It's barely visible, but it's here. And to disable the airplane mode, simply open the quick panel again and tap on the airplane mode icon. And that's how you enable the airplane mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.